Have you ever wondered why, even though you work hard every single day, your bank balance never seems to grow? It's not because you're not trying, it's because you're making the same financial mistakes almost every young person makes. And if you don't fix them early, you could lose 5 to 10 years just standing still. Today we'll talk about 5 financial mistakes that keep young people broke. Avoid these, and you'll move ahead of 90% of people your age. The first mistake is spending based on emotions. You're sad, so you buy something. You're stressed, you buy something else. An item goes on sale and you buy it even if you don't need it. Most young people aren't broke because they make too little. They're broke because they don't know where their money goes. A few dollars here for a coffee, a couple of $20 purchases on apps, a few impulse buys on Amazon. And at the end of the year, that could have been a vacation or an investment. The solution is to use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving and investing. Stick to it for 6 months and you'll feel the difference. The second mistake is having no emergency fund. Most young people think they're healthy, their job is stable, and nothing bad will ever happen. But life doesn't work that way. A car breakdown, a sudden medical bill, a layoff, these things happen. Without an emergency fund, you're forced into debt. And debt is the fastest way to destroy your financial future. The solution is to build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep it in a separate, easily accessible account. This is the foundation that protects every other investment you make. The third mistake is not investing early because you believe I'll start later. So many young adults think when I make more money, I'll start investing. But here's the truth. Time is more powerful than money. A 22-year-old investing $100 a month can end up richer than a 30-year-old investing $250 a month. It's the magic of compound interest, what Einstein called the 8th wonder of the world. The solution? Start investing as early as possible, even with small amounts. You can look into index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds, whatever fits your risk level. You don't have to be a genius, you just have to start. Next up, vague goals. This means having no clear financial plan. People say things like, I want to be rich, I want financial freedom, or I want more money. These sound nice, but they mean nothing if you don't know how much, by when, and what you need to do each month to get there. Without clear goals, you're like a ship without a compass, just drifting aimlessly. The solution is to set goals using the SMART method. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, I will save $2,500 in 12 months by setting aside $210 each month. Now that is a real goal. The fifth mistake is using debt the wrong way, especially consumer debt. Not all debt is bad. Good debt helps you build assets, like a mortgage for a house. Bad debt just steals your future. The problem is that many young people use debt to satisfy their ego. The newest iPhone, brand name clothes, expensive cars, things that lose value the moment you buy them. The solution is simple. Only borrow money if it helps you make more money. If it's just for consumption, stay away. These 5 mistakes might seem small on their own, but together they hold an entire generation back from building wealth. If you start avoiding them today, you will move far ahead, not because you're lucky, but because you manage money better. If you enjoy simple, clear financial content like this, make sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.